Where's your face? Beautiful. I think this shade really suits you. I think we're gonna need a bit more. Oh, shit! I hope that didn't break. Anyway. I think I'm blending it in. Turn your face towards the camera. Okay. Then we're gonna take. It's not working. Oh. What's working? This transsucculent powder and I didn't tap it. This will just make her look less greasy than she already is. Oh, okay. Now we're gonna go on to blush. Oh wait, concealer. I don't know where your blemishes are, if you have any. I know that you had one up here. And then people always have on their chins. My ear. I'm sorry. Please put that back. Okay, then we're gonna go on to blush. Where is it? Okay, this is blush, I think. But then we're gonna take another shade. Okay, and we're gonna just put it on her cheeks! Okay.
Well, we need to redo this.
Oh, we need to redo this. Up to the temples. Onto the eyes. Yes. We're gonna take the prettiest color and then put it on her eyelid. Gonna find the same color. I'm gonna put it on her eyelid. Okay, and then we're gonna find the same color and just give her that look. Okay, and then we're gonna just give another layer. Okay. Then
I wish we had real lipstick. Oh god.
okay. Okay. I'm going to give her some shine. moving.
Oh.
Doing
Doing it on purpose.
Doing what?
It looks like I kissed a hooker.
And now we're gonna go on to eyeliner.
Oh. Do we even have eyeliner?
Yeah, it's here. Where is it?
Oh, we can't find it.
Where is it? Okay,
It's liquid eyeliner.
it's fine. That's what I was looking for. Okay. You're giving your eye. No, I'm just going to wing it out just a little. And then where is it?
I'm gonna cry.
Where is it in? Okay, I'm gonna go to the other one.
Oh wow.
Wait.
Oh.
Where's your eye? Okay, and then wing it out. Put that back in.
Aren't I just
Then-
useful?
Then we're going to, what else is that? Oh yes, fill in your eyebrows. We're going to take this camera. What?
Oh. It was a new color.
I don't know if I did. I think I picked the black one. But you don't have black eyebrows. Oh, okay. But, oh, what is that? And mascara is to finish off the look.
I'm scared to open my eyes.
Don't. Is that not your eye? Where's your eye? Okay, here it is.
Oh.
Sorry. Am I just getting your eye?
Yes.
Not in your eye, just.
Nope, I look absolutely fabulous.
Okay, and then I'm gonna give you another layer of lip gloss just because. Oh,
This is 9 minutes. I'm gonna edit.
yeah. Do 2 separate videos. Okay. And